Good day. My name is Dunay van Wyk. I'm a neuroscience brain-based coach, motivational speaker, and adult facilitator. Yes, we do live in times of extreme, and change surely is the new normal. But I choose not to focus on those two sentences. Because the more we focus on the times of extreme and the challenges, the less we have time to focus on the beauty and the brilliance that life has to offer. Our brain has got this amazing capability and ability to become smarter at every turn. But it requires of us to deposit very deliberate and distinct ingredients if we want to be smarter and overcome. The more we focus on the positive and the beauty of life, the more we have the ability to overcome these times of extreme. If we have a spirit of gratitude, if we choose to focus on the things that are light and pretty, we grow our ability and capability to overcome challenges and difficult times. Are you interested in unlocking your brain to be more? Do you want to learn how to grow and increase your IQ? Invite me to come and deliver a 60-minute masterclass at your school or organization. Together we will step into the arena of creativity. Together we will pick up those keys that will allow us to unlock the beauty and the brilliance that we possess. Contact me on 084 513 6433 and I will design a bespoke masterclass fit for your needs. I am situated in the Gauteng region, but you are more than welcome to contact me if you do not reside in Gauteng. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.